So, I'm not sure which one of y'all ordered all this snow, but you really should contact the shipping company. They delivered it to the wrong place. And, you know, can you come pick it up? Merry meet friends, we have had a snowstorm. This is not normal for Oregon at all. Like, we have in the open areas where there's not tree cover, there is more than a foot. It's almost up to my knees. And for the 11 years that we've been in the Pacific Northwest, this is unprecedented. We never get more than pretty much a dusting. I don't think we've ever had more than about 4 inches. And this is definitely more than a foot. So this kind of weather is highly unusual here in the Pacific Northwest, in Willamette Valley of Oregon in particular is where I am. About the only person here who's really happy about this is the dog. Gracie is in love with the snow, and we keep bringing her out to play. And she plays and plays and plays, gets herself exhausted. We take her back in, and then she sits at the window whining because she wants to come back out. It's really quite cute. So my husband and I are having flashbacks from when we grew up in northwestern Pennsylvania, because there, this amount of snow is nothing. It happens many times over the winter. But there they have the equipment and supplies they need to keep the roads clear. And people have snow blowers and plows on their trucks and more than one snow shovel. We have one snow shovel and a couple bags of ice melt. And that's about it. That's what we have. Luckily, we didn't get ice, at least not yet, and the snow is cleaning up pretty well, but we have a very long, windy, and hilly driveway. Like, we can't see the road from the house, and we have just that one snow shovel to clean it up with. Yesterday, we couldn't even keep up. By the time my son got down to the end of the driveway, it was already filling in back at the top. Today, it's not snowing, at least not right now, so we have a prayer of actually getting it cleared off, which is good. We're expecting some deliveries all through this week. We do have an appointment tomorrow afternoon that we need to get out for, so crossing our fingers that we can get not only out of our driveway, but that the roads will be taken care of. Today, we're just working on cleaning up that driveway, and then we've got to get snow off of the top of the sheds and chicken runs and shelters and stuff that are not solid roofs. Like, our shed is like one of those vinyl carport type things, and so is one of the shelters in the chicken run. One chicken run has netting over it I've got to shake out. We did that 3 times yesterday, and another run has a tarp cover. It is supported by chicken wire at least, but still would like to get that weight off of there.
We're making snowballs up there. Rapid fire snowball creator.
And then maybe try to do something about the greenhouse. It's glass, but it wasn't designed to hold snow weight, and I'm a little concerned. But we can only really access one side of it. The other side is, because it's built into a bank on a retaining wall, so we wouldn't even really be able to get to the roof on the other side. So I'm thinking, and I hope it will work, if I put a small space heater inside the greenhouse, maybe it'll melt the underlayer and in the snow will slide off. I don't know if I'm going to try that. We'll see. I'll let you know in another video if that worked or not. So I'll get you some B-roll of all the beautiful scenery around, all of the pretty trees, treacherous as they are, and some of the work we're doing today, and we'll see you on that next video. Blessed be, friends.